What is up, you guys? It's Different Trades with a brand new video for you guys. This video is the webinar of everybody that didn't miss it. This is just a recap of it, which was on March 19th. I hope you guys do get all the information you guys need. Get a pen and paper because it is a lot of information for you to go over. There won't be a next one until like about 2 weeks to a month. If you guys want to be updated, follow all the social media and follow the Discord. Get in there. Links in the bio. I love you guys and enjoy it. What is up, you guys? It's Different Trades here with a brand new one. So today we're gonna have pretty much the free webinar. We're gonna go over the chart, weekly chart. Today is March 19th, 2025. Let's get right into it. Let's break down this chart, midweek chart, see how it goes, and then from the rest of the week we'll see if we were on point with everything and how we expect everything to go for the rest of the week. I am joined here by a couple people. Let's get right into it. So what we have looking at right here is YM, pretty much US 30, same thing, just very small differences. Let's start breaking everything down. So how I really like to start off, right? The beginning of the week was on point. Yeah, the beginning of the week was on point. This weekend, this Sunday meeting was really good. We're definitely gonna do another Sunday one as well. I'm gonna hype it up as well, or post it today. But on to this. I like to start off with my trend colors. That way I always remember what colors are what. And the reason I always recommend having trend colors is that way you know, if you have a lot of trend lines, you know which ones are respected, which ones you tend to see more, what is going on, right? So let's start off with daily. Our daily candles are always going to be blue. And we're looking for pretty much areas that it's touched by the candles on point. See, like, doesn't always have to be the wick. We're more looking for bodies. You see how the bodies more have touched here. Yeah, we got some wicks, but the wicks are. It's the problem with the wicks is that it's never really. It's not always going to touch the same. The bodies, you'll see that it does more than often. So we'll keep going here. We got a couple here, here, and then down here we could tell we had some levels around here, here as well, here as well. That's where we tested. And then we can pretty much use this level down here because this is the last time that we went low. And we rejected, we used it as a support here and rejected it here a couple times and then took off from here, rejected here. That is pretty much going to be our daily. We don't want to have so many daily lines either. That's not really the point. I can't really see anything else. I mean, you could have something small right here as well because we could see here, 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 and then here. We had a small rejection here, then pulled, and then finally broke. And remember, this is on a daily time frame. So after the daily time frame, it's called a top-down analysis. On the daily time frame, I'll go into the 4-hourly. That 4-hourly will show me more of what's going on a 4-hourly basis. Each candle is 4 hours. So we can see right here, right off the bat, up here we got a nice 4-hourly level. That was a little rough there. And then we could see we have something around this area because we touched here, all of this, and all of this. And then we can say we also have here, 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 and here. Let's see what else we have. As we keep going down, we'll start seeing more things starting to appear. The lower the time frame, the more candlesticks we have, the more we could see, okay, on this time frame, this was more respected. On that time frame, this was more respected. So far, so on and so forth. So we have good areas right there as well. We have these as well. Now the problem with going so high up here is that we're really not up there right now, so it really doesn't really even matter to really even show that level at that very moment, if that makes sense. So you wanna, I wouldn't really recommend being up here, but that's just more for like safety precautions, right? Because if we really wanted to, we could keep going from there, but we're all the way down here anyways. So these is what I would recommend. Not too bad. And then we'll keep going from here. So we have a level here, as we can see, here, here, and then here. Let's see if we keep going down. We have this, all of this area, and we could keep going down from there. What do we have? We have right here, and then yeah, we have that as well right here. See how we rejected here a couple times, rejected here. So it doesn't look bad at all. Now when we're done on the 4 hourly, we can tell by our word, we'll put it right in the middle of everything. We go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so daily, the daily is blue, the 4 hourly is orange, and the 1 hour is yellow. So let's go down to the yellow. Remember, price action is more down here. So we want to focus around this area. On a move like this, we can really see this. We can see this. We can see, and I like to, since, okay, now this is another perfect example, right? You see how all of this, okay, see how this whole area here has nothing really to be, sorry, nothing really to be based off of. If you see, it has nothing really to base off of. So what will we do? We'll start focusing on this area right here. See how this area, we have more things to be based off of, more of an area where we're like, oh, okay, cool, this is very important. So meaning we want to break that down and keep using it as an area to see our support lines, our trend lines. See, we can see it right there. Then we can see right there. What else can we see? Even down here, we have a couple levels down here on the hourly. We can see we rejected that level. We can even push it up a little bit more, so be more on that area. So there you go. That's our chart breakdown in a nicer level. We got something right here, and that I got from over here. So now looking at it on a 1 hourly, we can tell that we had a nice trend line that we were respecting and then finally broke, which started, one second. Yo.
Are you live already or not?
Yeah, I'm on my Discord already.
Are you with someone or no?
Yeah, just one more person.
Wait, who?
One more person, but I'm gonna record it and then post it.
Who, Trevor?
No, my boy Chin. W Mans.
Then I'm getting to Chris. I'll join up.
Alright, dale.
Bye.
So, back to this. Now, if we keep breaking it down, like I was saying, we can see that we are on that nice, oh, sorry, not that one. We won't use that one. We'll use this line here. Yeah. So we can see that we were on this bearish trend. What ends up happening on this bearish trend? So we can see that we, every time we came back, respected this level and kept falling. First time we made it, then fell, made it, fell, tapped, 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 tapped. Then finally, we see, let me zoom in a little bit more so we can see it a lot better. Then finally, we can see we finally break out, but then we had our daily level. Our daily level was very important, which also told us if we break above this last high, we'll be looking for more bearish. So what ends up happening, we reject it, and as well as it was the ending of the day, we can see that once we have the starting of the chop on the 1 hourly, we can tell that like that's the more daily, more London session usually of the time. So we finally break at around 8 a.m. We break above, have a nice retest on the 4 hourly, break above the daily. Still really don't fully break because we end up testing it again. All of this, we keep using that momentum. And then today, yeah, the 19th, we use around FOMC to really push that part up, to really push away from our daily level. Now, guess what? Now we're testing this level, our hourly level. See how we tested it and we didn't fall, tested it and we fell. I'm sorry, and we fell, and now we finally broke above, retested, kind of kept pushing up, but it's not so much volume to really have us push for more highs. Meaning, what are we expecting? What I would like to see is as goes. Let's see here. Is as goes. We can see clearly, clear as day, we can see we have a nice new trend line. We'll do green because we are green there. We have a nice trend line going up on that bearish So there's one or two things. With volume either tonight or tomorrow, we come up to a 4 hourly like we did already, and we try to test it, and we reject ultimately falling, or we test fall, use this trend line as a way of pushing back up and finally do one of these, and then we'll start looking for bullish momentum, or we ultimately reject and then fall, causing us to retest and then fall. That is something we will see in the morning. Where am I expecting the market to go as of right now? As long as we do not break above our 4 hourly level that we can see that we clearly have been trying to break above since here, and then we wanted to, but we failed that hourly, and we're above that hourly. So I don't want to see us break above our 4 hourly. If we do tomorrow, then I'll be looking bullish. So anything above these three lines right here, daily, hourly, and 4 hourly, more than likely, if we break that 4 hourly, we're gonna start looking for bullish. If not, we'll probably reject, come test this level, and then either fall or come back up. Those are really our only two things. Now, what if it starts falling? Well, I'll look anything for shorts under this area. Under this area right here, anything under that, because we have to break this whole trend line, and then we also have to come down here and now break this down here, which is going to be very interesting for us to break that. So, like I said, for the rest of the week, I'm not going to marry it aside, mostly because we had FOMC today, and it was a very dangerous day. I, thankfully to God, came out winning, stuck to my plan. Now, tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day. Why? Because we are now post FOMC, a whole 12 hours, 15 hours later. And it's going to look very interesting to see where we go tomorrow. I don't think, if I'm correct, we have any news tomorrow, but I could very much be wrong. Let me move this up here. We have tomorrow is Thursday. We have 8:30 job claims. So job claims could either push us for more highs or push us for more lows. If it pushes us for more low, that might just be that momentum or volume to break us under. So we'll have a nice push to the downside. But all depends on our London session momentum and volume. So towards the week, I'm still bearish. It's very hard to completely say that I'm 100% bearish because we did break above last high, because this is a nice retest. So that clearly tells us that we are above last high. However, look at how choppy it is, but it's because we have no volume. And then we haven't completely broken that high. We've only broken last previous high. Trend low. But overall, I would like to still say that I'm bearish. This is just, to me, could be a very look of a nice retracement to ultimately keep falling on a bigger time frame. But again, we have to very much see if we're going to break above all of this. If we break above that, then I would tell you, hey guys, we are completely bearish. True, it might retest the 4 hourly and then drop. That's exactly what I'm looking for and exactly what I'm hoping for. I'm really hoping that we can test that 4 hourly and then ultimately fall. Sorry about that. All right. But we will see when the low. Exactly. So once that level is reached, which I'm hoping we see between tonight to tomorrow with news, we'll ultimately see where the market wants to go. I don't think that we'll become bullish just yet, because we don't have enough news to really start making us become bullish, because our interest rates are super high. Everything is just super expensive still. So I think we still have that movement to the downside because we're working to bring everything down. With that being said, does anybody have any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Chin, you got any questions of the chart? Any questions? Anybody? I got myself. I got bubble tea today. But bubble tea be the thing. Okay, so that's a beautiful question. I love that. I love that. I love that. He said, "How do you execute your trade based on breakouts?" Yo, bubble tea, zero sugar. That's funny. All right, so his question was, "How do you execute your trades based off of breakouts?" Perfect. So let's say, I'll give you guys a perfect example, right? Give you guys a perfect example. Let's look at today's trade. Where's today's trade? Right here. Replay. We are looking at 8:30. We'll go 8:25. That's pretty much where I was able to get my stuff at. I'm going to give you guys exactly how I took the trade for today. How did the trade go, friend? Well, we came out winning. Did you really? Yes, I did, in fact. So pretty much on the 5 minute, I go to the 5 minute, I execute on the 5 minute, I look for my entry on the 5 minute, I stay on the 5 minute once I'm on the trade. What do I do here? I pretty much look at my last high, last low, and I look at entries from there. Yes, I could pick this low, but I really don't like it. Didn't really phase me too much. I like this low. Now, we rejected off of the 4 hourly. That already was telling me we are looking pretty bullish for that momentum. We were already on that trend, and we can see from here, I already had all of that driven out, that we were already on that trend of the upside, so I'm already confident in longs. So, what did I do? I gave myself a little bit of room. Right above this high, this tick right here, I put an entry point. I'm looking at a total of 100 ticks profit and 50 ticks stop loss. And then down here, same thing, give myself some space because I like to set orders because honestly, it gives me room. It gives me time to, okay, if I get in, I like to set the stop loss because, the stops because I'm not a computer. Truth is, I'm not a computer. I'm not going to be able to get in a trade so quick. That's not going to happen. That's just, if someone tells you that, that's BS. They're not that. Real quick, if you guys are serious about leveling up your trading, you need to check out the Relentless Society Academy. It is packed with game-changing strategies, risk management information, mindset hacks, and that it will help traders become a more consistent and profitable trader. Whether you are just starting or struggling to be consistent, to be a better trader, this course will really help you and will give you a small shortcut to be a better trader in the long term. If that sounds like something you guys want to give a try, check the link. It'll be under the WAP. It'll take you straight to WAP. Check out the link and get yourselves in there. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the Discord. Quick, sorry, it's the truth. Someone had to expose them. So I like to set the limit orders. So let's say for testing purposes, because I can't do it on the replay, I can get in it, but it won't be accurate. There's one entry and there's one entry. Now, why did I like these shorts? Because ultimately, if we fall under this 4 hourly, then that would already start telling me that, hey, next up is to break this last low. If we break this last low, I'll be pretty confident in sells. So it's either break this last low and look for sells, or keep pushing to the upside, respecting trend, showing me that we're trying to break this last high and this last high. Now, let's say here, I think it's this button. Okay, so let's just say we would have been, oh, I can't even get in the trend for you guys. Sorry, you guys, I can't even get in the trend. So, looking at it here, we could tell that we were pretty close to hitting stop loss. We did not get stuck or stop. Stopped out the first trade. We did not. We only took one trade on the combine. Well, on our trading accounts, period. We only took one trade. And then boom. And then boom. Come back down a little bit more. And that's where TP hits. That's pretty much my trade. So again, why did I get into the trade? Oh, 1 second, guys. My eye is over here, like, scratching. Alright, sorry. So why did I get into the trade? Let's break that down, and then I'll get to your next question there. Why did I get into the trade? Because we could tell that we started rejecting. We started to keep that bullish trend going. We did test this level. We had this level that we tested and we rejected, tested it again, rejected, tested it again, rejected. Coming onto market open, we know we have a nice volume. What is our volume going to be pushing? We're going to be pushing longs. Why? Because we're already seeing that we already started to want to break for more levels, more highs. If we wanted to go shorts, we would have been around this area by market open, and we were not. So going based off of that, we see that this last high was here. Closest last high was right here. Gives us enough space to be right here and also cover this one and give us space to enter right here. And once we enter, we do not wait for the retest. We enter as we break, and then we set our take profit and stop loss. 50 take stop loss, 100 take profit. Why were we looking at sells? Because again, if the market was to fall, we would be confident in falling under the 4 hourly, and then falling under this level, showing us that we want to keep moving for more lows. Your first question was 5 to 10 points above the high. So that's more preferences wise. I don't really have an exact number for where I set the exact entry. I just like to give myself a little bit of room. How much room, I really wouldn't tell you. There's not an exact number I give myself. I just pretty much look at it and it's just like boom, like it's right there. I don't want to sit there and lie to you and tell you exactly my number. I just like to give myself a little bit of room, not too much room that I missed a whole move, but enough room where I'm like, okay, this looks good. I give it a little bit of room. We're good. We won't get tapped in and then wait. You know. Let me see. Well, that last high match exactly your entry. What do you mean? I'm sorry. This last high. Wait, I'm sorry. What do you mean? The last high match exactly your entry. Oh, you're talking about here? Talking about this one right here? Yeah, so that's pretty much how I like to do it. I don't see how, like, yes, I could have done it. I could have done it right here. I don't really like it. I like to give myself a little bit of room, but the closest that we have that really had an also big effect. See, this one really didn't have an effect around nowhere. This one, we had an effect here, and we had an effect here. Look at the shorts. We had an effect here, we had an effect here, we had an effect here. So it shows us that area, if we break above, is more looking for a better opportunity. Shit, you can even wait until you break and close above. That's really up to your preferences. But overall, I did like the trade for today. I really did like the trade for today. Because it gave us all of everything that we were really looking for to have a nice trade, a nice reaction to the market, a nice movement. Now for tomorrow is a way better question. I would love to see, I would love to see where the market decides to go tonight, and we'll have a better movement, a better understanding of the market today. I mean tomorrow, sorry. As of right now, we can even see like we started this trend, we never even got to break it. We never even got to break it because market closed. And it just started going wonky. So we're going to wait until tonight to tomorrow. See if we break above this level. And keep going for more highs. If we do, then that would be wonderful. And that will show us that we are more looking for that bullish momentum. I will be 100% confident in a bullish market, heading towards a bullish market. If we close the day above this blue line, between tomorrow and Friday, looking for next week to be more on the bullish side, but that's nor here there because we'll find that out on Monday or Sunday night. We'll look over the chart. But I think best to trade within the session only, right? So myself, I really only like to trade within the session. I don't really like to trade outside of the time unless I'm swinging, and if I'm swinging, I'm starting to test that out on a 1 hourly. Like I'm simulating it in my mind. Like I'll leave like the trade up for the day, for the night, and see if it moves or whatnot. Like see, like for instance, like this trade, like something like this is what I would be looking for. No, actually, that's perfect. See, like I would want to see an entry like right here, right? And my take profit and stop loss would be a lot different. Obviously, will probably be giving myself some room below this, and then looking for just a nice small 2, like right there. But again, it's still in testing. I'm not a real big swing trader, But overall, yes, I would rather only trade in sessions. So NYC from 9:30. My time frame for trading is 9:30 to 11 a.m. That's it. 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now, that I'm on the market, that I turn on my computer, I'm on my computer by like 8:50 because I get home and make breakfast from the gym and stuff like that. And I'm on the computer sometimes even 8:40. I'm on looking at the chart, doing everything that I gotta do, journaling, my pre-market analysis and stuff like that. That's what I do in the morning. And then around 8:25, around 8:20, I'm setting up my limit orders. I'm setting my limit orders, and then I'm going from there. Once I set my limit orders, I'll be ready to trade, and I'll send them in the Discord for my premium traders. My paid traders that paid for the course, they'll get those live trades. Yo, what's up, Tico?
What up, bro? What's going on? What's going on over here?
Chilling.
What's happening?
Waiting. Probably gonna get off here at 8:30. Nice little small Wednesday breakdown, or stop recording here at 8:30, so I can get everybody to their family time. Gym first, I'm 100%. Next is eat and trade. What are we doing? Yeah, so pretty much I really like to be very picky. Not picky, but I like to have my routine where so I used to honestly, I used to wake up at like no bullshit 8:50, turn on the computer and get on it. No, like I'm not focused. I'm just getting up. No foggy brain. No. So I started going to the gym in the morning, eating before the gym, so my body's already having a metabolism. My metabolism is moving. My metabolism is going. And my mind is not so foggy. I already have my heart pumping. I already started my day. Sometimes I am tired, but brother, I just be drinking water. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. But yeah, I'm little by little trying to get up earlier and earlier to hit the gym earlier and earlier. The goal would be like the goal would be like 5 a.m. Yeah, I used to do that too, waking up late to trade late most of the time, bringing me an L foggy brain for sure. Exactly, like the truth is like, yeah, cool, we work from home, we trade, we pretty much make the money that we want to make, but the problem is, like, call it as it is, you have a foggy brain and you're not able to make that profit target, or you're not even able to concentrate on that trade that you want to take so early on a foggy brain. So you're on a foggy brain, so you're better off like really waiting it out, or waking up earlier, better said, getting things done that you're up and going. Come in. Yo. Hello. I know I'm not going crazy. I just heard someone knock on my door. But whatever. But yeah. So I think that waking up a lot earlier gives you a lot of beneficial things. Gives you a lot of opportunity to capitalize, opportunity to push for new goals and stuff like that and catch them. And it's like also like, let's say for an instance, right? Or I even put it in a better example for you guys. If I was to go back and look at my schedule and wake up at 8:50, I didn't go to the gym, I didn't eat breakfast, I'm already doing two things wrong, giving up two things that I could have been doing. Let's say, right? Or sorry, the schedule I was gonna give you guys. I wake up at 8:50, train 9:30, whatever. Then I'm going at the gym when I get out of the other things I gotta do in the afternoon. When I go to the gym in the afternoon, like at 7. So guess what? I wouldn't even be here right now to be able to make this content, to be able to make this webinar for free. All of these things wouldn't even be able to be happening because I'm missing all of this just because I decide to sleep in. Like, it just really doesn't even make sense. And honestly, like, I've been getting a lot even pickier, even on the weekends. Like, I'd rather be up early. I don't have to go to the gym, but I can wash the car, I could clean up the room, wash clothes, whatever the case might be, go for a run, things like that. Like, that's why I'm trying to overall change that routine, because if you feel better, you will be better. That's my quote, literally. Yeah, I gotta be disciplined. 100% gotta be disciplined. The video I actually posted, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day or last week. One of the newest videos, I think it was yesterday, was about consistency. So it's pretty dope. If you haven't watched it, I would definitely recommend watch it. Really good. But it pretty much talked about that, about consistency, about breaking everything down, about but yeah, I like very picky about all of that things, man. I would definitely recommend everybody to really get out there and have a routine, have something that you are on top of every day, day in and day out, and not messing yourself up. Any more questions for you guys? Any of you guys got any questions? Tico?
No questions, bro.
So, funny about that. I would have. Yeah, what do I mean by that? So, like, 2 weeks ago, I was, like, super close to passing my combine. Super close. I needed $200. No. Like, 300, I think it was. Or 400. Not too sure. Whatever. And for whatever reason, for a week straight, I was losing. And I'm like, dude, what am I doing wrong? And I built it back up. I was only missing 500 then when I built it back up. I was good. Oh no, I lost like 3 days in a row. Then I built it back up. Then I think I overtraded or I got in a trade by mistake. I can't really remember what happened. And I was like, you know what, bro, this account has bad luck. I reset the whole account. And I'm in a new account now. I'm pretty close now to passing it. So hoping, really, the goal is to pass it tomorrow. And I know I'm going to be able to pass it tomorrow. Amen, brother. Amen. Yeah, I'm looking just to trade tomorrow and then off Fridays. I don't even want to be trading Fridays no more. That is just a no-go for me no more, honestly. Maybe on a live account on like a very small risk. That's about it.
All you gotta do, bro, is people know what you're doing, right? Just follow your plan, bro.
Yep.
Look at me. I haven't made a single dollar this week. Why? My strategy's not there. My model's not there, so no setup, no trade. That's simple. I haven't taken a single trade the whole week. So, if I take a trade tomorrow, I take it. If I don't, I don't.
No, that's a fact.
It's just a long game, baby. It's a long game. It's not a from one day to another. This is a long game. So, all you gotta do is play with it. Chilling.
It's true. It's very true. Yes, Friday no more. Last Friday is just good volume. Bro, I've noticed that. Fridays always have good volume. But it's just choppy. It is just so freaking choppy. It's good volume sideways. There's one good move, and that's it. If you weren't in it, don't even look at it after that. If not, it's just choppiness. Like that's what I felt like Fridays have become. It's just pretty much you got in at a good time, and that's it. After that, it's not even worth it. Same Tico, my friend. Same Tico, my friend. The same. Haven't taken a single trade yet. Too based on his strategy. Exactly, yeah. Like sometimes, man, like if your strategy's not there, it's not even worth risking your account or the anything really.
And tomorrow, and most likely gonna be a good day. Tomorrow we got a red folder at 8:30, baby.
Yep.
I love those. That's how you make some money.
But
You loud, you damn trolling, they got that ass.
nah, bro, I don't be trading no news like that, bro.
If you see my 4K days and shit, my 2K days, that's on red folder days.
Nah, I'll
8:30.
trade on the day, but I won't trade on like. I won't trade by it's hitting.
Oh no, I don't trade when it's like when it's like actually 8:30. I trade like if I see a trade at 8:45, I take it. If I don't see a trade by 9, I just trade till 9:30, mark it over.
Yeah, I was like, hell no, that boy said trading news. Hell no, boy, I ain't trading no news. Shit, me. One, I just got home from the gym, and two, I ain't even fucking with that one. You get in a fuck around, you get in a train, and then the next thing you know, you wicked out. Hell no, absolutely not.
Nah, see, that's the thing. The wick that wicks you out is the wick that hits TP2 for me, nigga.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I don't trade no news. I don't trade FOMC. I don't trade nothing. I don't touch anything. If it's happening that day, I only trade the time that I trade. 9:30 to 11. That's it.
Nah, today I didn't trade at all.
No, today I traded. Today I traded in the morning. Today I traded in the morning. That's it. Like when FOMC was going on, I just looked at the chart. I really didn't even trade anything.
Yeah, no. FOMC I saw had set up like popped up, and I'm like, bro, it's FOMC.
Bro, my setup for FOMC was so simple. That shit would have hit. Look at this. It's super simple. From here, last high. Same thing as this morning. Last high. Look for the entry right here, right above it. 100 ticks. Bro, cake. Would have been easy. Stop loss. Boom. Look at that. And I would have been done.
Go to the 1 minute on NQ.
But I don't got NQ up at all. I don't got NQ at all.
You got NQ.
Oh shit, wrong one.
Minute, there's a big wick at 2. That was my entry right there. I put an alert that when it hits that price, alert me, and it went straight up after that.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Not
but
bad
I didn't
at
take
all.
it. I took it on paper trade. Didn't take it on my life or funds. I just took it on paper trade.
Felt that though. We've been there. All right, for the record, that is going to be it for the free webinar. If that is it for you guys' question, that is going to be it. If you guys want to be in the next one, stay tuned for the Instagram post. We won't be making one for about maybe 2 weeks. I won't be posting another free webinar, only in the Discord for those that are in the Discord. I love you guys. Hope you guys found some information, some inspiration to start your journey in trading. And I will see you guys when I see you guys. Other than that, I love you guys and be safe. On to the next one. Alright, you guys, that's going to sum up the video. I hope you guys did get a lot of information. If it did look like something you guys want to be participated in it, again, remember to look at the description. We have all of our social media, our Discord. Everything's going to be there. All of our news outlets are going to be there. We are working into getting everything on X as well and on Threads. So I hope you guys really got down the information and you guys can put it for your guys' trading experience and for your guys' trading journey. Any more questions, put them in the description. And I love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.